Good morning, students. Today in chapter 3, we will do word problems which are based on linear equation into variable. All these word problems you will solve by elimination method only. Whatever be given in NCERT book, you have to solve all word problem only by elimination method. So here I am reading the question 1. You will open your NCERT book. The question 1 says, what will be the Aftab's present age and his her daughter's age? If 7 years ago Aftab was 7 times her daughter, and after 3 years from now he will be 3 times of her daughter, मीन्स आफ्ताब और उसकी बेटी की प्रेजेंट एज बताइए, जबकि आज से 7 साल पहले आफ्ताब अपनी बेटी की एज का 7 टाइम्स था और 3 इयर्स के बाद आफ्ताब अपनी बेटी की एज के 3 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. सो हेयर मान लीजिए लेट आफ्ताब प्रेजेंट एज इज x ईयर, हर ड्यूटर प्रेजेंट एज इज y ईयर्स. फर्स्ट केस 7 इयर्स अगो, तो 7 इयर्स अगो आफ्ताब की एज और ट्यूटर की एज में से 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, तो आफ्ताब एज वाज x minus 7 years, her daughter's age was y minus 7 years. The condition is given that आफ्ताब was 7 times her daughter. तो आफ्ताब की what was the age of आफ्ताब 7 years ago? This is x minus 7 in was equal 7 times means 7 multiply her daughter's age was 7 years ago, y minus 7. So here x minus 7 equal to 7y minus 49. X minus 7y equal to minus 49 plus 7. 7 goes to this side, becomes plus. So x minus 7y equal to minus 42. This is the first equation. Similarly here, 3 years from now, Aftab's age will be x plus 3 and her daughter's age will be y plus 3. So after 3 years, these will be the ages of Aftab and her daughter. The condition is given that Aftab will be 3 times her daughter. So this is x plus 3 equal to will be replaced by equal to 3 times. So 3 multiply her daughter's age y plus 3. So multiply x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. X 3y comes this side and 9 minus 3 6. This is the equation number 2. Now you solve these equation 1 and equation 2 by elimination method. You will got the Aftab and her daughter's age. So now student, question number 2. In question 2 says, if the cost of 3 bats and 6 ball is rupees 3900 and 1 more bat plus 3 balls cost is rupees 1300, then find the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball. Let us consider the cost of 1 bat is equal to rupees x and cost of 1 ball is rupees y. Case first, we have to take the cost of 3 bat and 6 ball together. So 1 bat x, so 3 bat will be 3x, 6 ball is 6y, that is equal to 3900. You can divide out in both side by 3, so this will becomes x plus 2y, this is 1300. This is question number 1. Now second part, 1 more bat plus 3 more ball, the cost is 1300. So this is x plus 3y equal to 1300. This is equation number 2. Now you get two equations. Solve these two equations by elimination method. You will get the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball together. Similarly, question number 3. In question number 3, here we are given that the cost of 2 kg apple plus 1 kg grapes is equal to 160 and the cost of 4 kg apple plus 2 kg grapes is 300. Then what will be the cost of 1 kg apple and 1 kg grapes? So let cost of 1 kg apple equal to rupees X and the cost of 1 kg grapes equal to rupees Y. According to first condition, case first, you can say you have to take the cost of 2 kg apple, so this is 2x, cost of 1 kg grapes plus y equal to 160. This is equation number 1. And secondly, in case second, you have to take 4 kg apple, this is 4x, and 2 kg grapes, this is 2y equal to 300. This is equation number 2. But before solving here, we are taking the number of solution condition, that is a1 upon a2. This is 2 upon 4. a1 x के पास, a2 भी x के पास, कैंसिल करेंगे तो you got 1 by 2. b1 upon b2, this is equal to xy के पास कुछ नहीं तो 1. Here 2, and c1 upon c2 is 160 upon 300. You cancel, you will 8 by 50. Here we see that a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, which is the condition of no solution. Means this word problem cannot be solved by any method. And if we plot the graph of these two equations, the graph will be the parallel lines. So dear students, with the help of these word problem, you will complete exercise 3.2, question number 1, first part, second part, and question number 5 only.